Can't believe I'm gonna run with a GoPro, but we're gonna try it because I really want to document this morning and all of the emotions I'm feeling. I don't know if I'll ever publish this, but I want to capture it. Let's get warmed up. The first mile of running always sucks for me. And hey, I got new shoes. Can you see them? This video is really for future Arleigh, because today I am presenting the most important, maybe largest presentation of my life. And I had to go run before doing it because I'm so freaking nervous. But like a good nervous, not like a, I don't want to do this nervous. And so I have a 25-minute recovery run, which a month ago I would have told you you're nuts, that I'm gonna run 25 minutes continuously. But here I am, talking to myself and a GoPro, breathing and running. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm gonna finish this run. This hill. Whew. Somebody lost a glove.
This is lit.
Run is done. Now we're gonna slowly walk back to the car, talk to my camera. I do question if this will ever get easier talking to your camera in public. It's definitely easier on a GoPro, which is my major, massive work camera. This week is the Bicycle Leadership Conference. It's online due to COVID, which I think actually makes it more accessible to more people. That's a side note. But today I am on a panel talking about sustainability, what our company Turn Bicycle is doing. And I just needed a moment to reflect and make something for myself to look back on. Because it was a year ago that I closed my bike shop. It was a year ago that I announced to the world that we were moving, I was closing my dream bike shop that I opened to make the world a better place for my kids, and handed the keys to my friend Mackenzie, who's done amazing things. I'm so humbled where the year has taken me. I am presenting on sustainability that I'm super passionate about to the entire bike industry. I don't think it will get easier. I'm talking to myself as people walk by, so I try not to get run over by cars. I'm fogging up. And I'm thrilled. It's so humbling though to see where a year following your passion and personal calling can take you. And I just wanted to document this feeling and the fact that I just ran 25 minutes consistently on a trail with rolling hills. Just a reminder to you and future Arleigh watching this that You can do hard things, and when you put one foot in front of the other, showing up, sticking to a plan, believing in yourself and believing in the plan. I really need anti-fog for my glasses. When you do this, you can change things and make an impact. Running is my daily reminder that I can do hard things, and showing up is really 90% of the struggle. And I hope to remind myself that as a content creator, as a leader in the bike industry, and hopefully helping implement the changes that need to be made so this world is a better place in 20, 30 years for my kids. And we're not taking this continuous slide into greenhouse gases and rising temperatures. Time to get home, shower, and get ready. See you in the next video. Stay well, stay good, and remember, move for tomorrow. That's my new tagline in life. For your body, for your health, for your mental, physical health, for your future, for the world and your children's future. See you soon.